When you find yourself in need of some new power tools, consider buying an entire corded or cordless tool combo kit. Most power tool sets come with a drill driver, reciprocating saw or circular saw, a flashlight, and even an impact driver. You should also consider how the tools are powered. There are many products available to choose best cordless power tools, set each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. The Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit by DeWalt includes 9 different tools, including an impact driver and reciprocating saw, making it the best battery power tool set we have reviewed. If you're looking to do any sort of DIY work, these are the tools that you'll need in the very least. Any homeowner who likes to do work themselves should have all of them handy, making this a great set to start with. This set even comes with a branded Bluetooth speaker that is made for the job site. Furthermore, these tools work with most of the DeWalt brand rechargeable batteries. This means they can all share batteries, significantly reducing the number of batteries you'll need to keep up with and charge. This is one of the best battery-powered tools out there. You can also choose the best size battery for your situation, allowing each tool to be more versatile. Number 2. Ryobi P883 1 Plus Cordless Tool Set. The Ryobi cordless tool set includes 8 tools for a much lower price than the DeWalt set we previously reviewed. In fact, it is much cheaper than the vast majority of the other toolsets we reviewed. Despite the low price, though, the tools are quite high quality and suitable for most homeowners and handymen. This is the best cordless power toolset for the money. We highly recommend it if you're on a budget or just trying not to spend hundreds of dollars on a decent toolset. The storage bag is also quite good. This makes it one of the best cordless tool set available. The contractor bag even comes with a wide mouth, making it much easier to get your tools out. Number 3. Makita Lithium-ion Cordless Combo Kit. Makita makes this small LXT lithium-ion cordless combo kit. It comes with a driver drill as well as an impact speed driver. Both tools are variable speed and decently lightweight. They are engineered to withstand the dust and water that often comes with DIY work. However, we didn't find that these tools were more durable than some of the others we reviewed, so the extreme protection technology doesn't seem actually to be doing much. A carry kit comes with it as well. However, it is not as high quality as other cases. This kit is a bit more expensive than you would expect since it only contains 2 tools. You can purchase other cheaper kits that also have 2 tools. In most cases, we recommend saving your money and buying them instead of this kit. Number 4. PowerSmart Cordless 4-Tool Combo Kit. This PowerSmart Cordless Tool Combo Kit is the last set on our list. It is alright, but nothing more. It did make our list to begin with, but it is not the best option out there for a few different reasons. It comes with 4 tools, technically. However, one of these is a flashlight, which is ultimately a filler tool. Because of this, we would only consider it to have 3 tools you'll use. Most people will not use this flashlight simply because you probably already have one. Even if you don't, this flashlight is just decent, but it isn't any more special than a cheap one you could purchase at your local hardware store. However, if you're doing anything major, you should purchase better tools. They probably aren't even suitable for a simple deck job or remodel. The batteries also don't last very long and overheat quickly. They're suitable for a short period of use, but not for an extended project. Number 5. Craftsman Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Including a cordless drill, impact driver, circular saw, and a LED light, the Craftsman Cordless Drill Combo Kit technically comes with 4 tools, batteries, and a charger. However, the light doesn't count as a tool. It's a filler tool, for lack of a better word. Because of that, we only consider this set to come with 3 items that are proper tools. However, this set is very cheap, so you're getting what you pay for. It does not cost as much as some other 4 or even 2-piece kits, so the flashlight doesn't bring down its rating much. The tools are of decent quality, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. This battery tool set also does not include a tool bag, so you'll have to deal with the storage issue on your own. There are many decent tool bags on the market, but that only drives up the price you're paying for your tools.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.